But that's exactly what I mean about the universe trying your patience. Okay guys, I got up this morning and I decided to come to Panera Bread to edit this video that I've been having a hard time with last night at my son's house. It may be the internet there. I don't know if it's a secure internet or something is going on there, but this is the second time that it's happened. So I'm going to go in Panera and get me coffee and an orange scone and edit this video so I can post it. Talk to you soon. Well guys, it took me about an hour at Panera to edit the video, and I didn't want to have to stay while it uploads, so I'm going to head on over to the library so that I can upload it and finish charging some of my devices. So yeah, but I got a refill on my coffee and I haven't finished my orange scone yet. I do like them warm, so I may wait until later and just stick it in my air fryer for a couple minutes. But yeah, I haven't eaten anything today, and it is 2:37, and I normally upload my videos the night before, but like I said, I had been having some trouble at my son's house. For some reason, nothing will download or upload. So the perils of YouTube content creators, right? So it's like sometimes you feel like the universe is trying you, like literally. Like, okay, hold on just a second, because this is a trash truck right here. So he's gone. But that's exactly what I mean about the universe trying your patience, because I'm doing good on YouTube since I came back, and I hit my 4,000 view mark, and then all of a sudden nothing wants to work. So it's trying me to see, okay, do you really want this, or are you just going to give up? No, I'm not giving up. I am determined to get this video up today. It will be up today. Maybe not my normal time, because I normally set it for 11:11, but then I was like, well, maybe I can get this done and I can upload it for 1:11. Nope. Can't do it like that. But no matter what, you have to push through all the trials and tribulations, all the things that can go wrong. You have to push through and you have to move forward, get over it, right? So like I said, I'm going to the library. I'm going to upload the video and get all that done. Then I still have errands to run today. I have trash from 2 Amazon orders, packages I need to throw away, and the bubble stuff I need to throw away, plus my little bit of other trash that I have. I have to empty my you know what. It never ends. I mean, for people that think, I mean, you live in your van and you just sit around all day. I don't know who does. I don't know who does. I don't know how they can. I mean, I like things straight, neat. And I'm looking now, and it's not bad back there. And luckily, it's cool today. So if I can get some sun after I get this done, then I'll sit my panels out and recharge my power station. If you remember, I charged it the other day, but with my refrigerator plugged up to it instead of under my 12 volt, it runs down like maybe 2 bars overnight. And then I had a fan plugged up to it, and then I charged my tablet this morning, so I think I'm down to 2 bars. So that means it'll take about 2.5 hours to charge, whether I plug it in maybe at my son's house or if I do it by solar. So I had to get that done. So as we travel along on this van life journey, let's get things done. I'll see you later. I just got to the library, you guys. I'm going in to go ahead and finish this video. I love coming to this library because it's so quiet and peaceful here, and everybody will nod or speak to you while you're in the library. But I usually come up to this spot by the window so that I have some light. And there are plugs in the floor that you can't see right now, and that's how you will plug your phone or your devices up so they can get charged up. So this is a very nice library, downtown Petersburg, Virginia. It's a nice little garden outside that you could sit outside if you wanted to and just take in the air while you read or something like that. And there's my baby sitting in the parking lot, chilling, waiting for me to come back. So guys, I'm so glad that you have hung in there with me. I hope that you will continue to do so. And I have some great upcoming videos in store for you. Have a great day.